Box cover. So dancehall artist Dexta Daps, they one show in Oakland, California, a performance thing. The crowd that they are easy and a build back and a groove to the performance. Then my fridge back, I only see a Rasta man lift up one woman in the ear like say him is a tractor truck with a crane. All Dexta Daps on the stage and sing about Shabba Motherpat. The only thing the Rasta brother they are here is when the baggy at front at lights on the dinner pot. Jano, Andrew say eat where you grow, but the brother there and yam where him live. Then Dexta Daps start feel lick out pan the couple.
No pun intended.
But look pan she though. My girl had the audacity to be looking around like,
are you talking to me?
not because a goodly 12 o'clock in at the club means say it's lunchtime. No man, this you need Dora.
Swiper, no swiping!
Dexta start lash out and say a two Rasta people and he need for to put the woman pan the ground and give her some hot. The Dexta Daps start to cuss and lash out, and rightfully so, because not one Boxwood person was looking at him when the couple they start to promote them bread and breakfast. And even after that, the Rasta brother still went at it again. And again. And again. No man, the couple they go way too hard in the club. I know say some time ago Turbulence and Sasha they sing a song say but I never that them box folk mean. Wanna take it too literal. You see what misinterpretation can cause? Gas school kids, gas school. But in a typical Jamaican style, Dexta Daps had to go and show that he was not condoning this by drawing for a familiar Jamaican song that was anti-eating.
No girl can see down for me head.
And get a little 1 and 2 easy forward from the crowd. Predictable, honestly. Even after that, they were still at it. But like Dexta, what you expect is a Rasta man, a Rasta woman, them in a one Jamaican dancehall type of setting, a club. That alone tell us that them don't care zeros about what you want to draw for and lash out against them. In the end, when Dexta Daps realized that all his schooling was just going in vain and they were not going to listen, him cut him set short and exit the stage. At the end of the day, I kind of agree with Dexta Daps. I definitely would have vexed if me go out there and do my job and this big distraction up on the stage. Yeah, people sex a dance and I know it happens. People sex a dance all the time, but nobody never normally brave enough for just kind of up and let me go with it. So me that talk to the security them and tell them to take them out. The security should have done that because they're there for their job and they think they kind of they just a little bit too distracting. Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dutty Berry Show. Please let me know, share your thoughts. Do you think that this couple was just plain old nasty? Do you think that Dexta was wrong for cussing them off, lashing against them? Do you think that the people, the organizers of the event could have done a better job to make sure to move the people them out of the venue so that the event could carry on in its regular pattern? Comment down below, alright? And what do you think about Jamaicans and the oral sex phenomenon? Make sure to leave a comment, but not before you like, you share, and you subscribe. Big up all the burritos them, alright? Take care until next time.